This video is going to go over how to schedule an event. So this is after you have confirmed the times, you want to send them an email confirmation and have it appear in their profile. So what you're going to do is you can go to either candidate or client, go ahead and select their profile. Once you're on here, stay on that admin tab, go ahead and click events, put in your event title. So interview Mary, the event type. If you want more types, go ahead and click this gear icon, put in the date. Let's make it a little more current. Put in the time that you want it to be. If you have a candidate that you want to link up to it, you can select them and also notify them at the same time. Put in a link if there is a link. Put in the notes, maybe an address or anything you want to notify about the event. You can update their status if you would like. Also update candidate status. You can send an email notification at this time and add it to your personal to-do calendar if you would like. Go ahead and click schedule event. Once you have done this, it's going to pop up an email template and it would autofill anything you have done. Go ahead and click send, or you can schedule the send. And another email to the candidate will pop up. Once you have done that, it will now appear in their profile. So if we went to either of their profiles, let's go to the candidate profile. It's going to appear here with any information that I put in there.